Perfect for replacing old-style or antique knobs. Used for interior doors such as bedroom, bathrooms and other interior door. Features a 17/64 square drive spindle. Satin nickel-plated steel. Ideal for use on interior latch sets. Designed for doors that are 1/3 into 1/3 in thick. This set of round knobs is used in doors with old-style mortise lock sets. These vintage-style door knobs are constructed of steel and come in a satin nickel finish. This set of knobs is designed for indoor use only, and it includes a 17/64 x 3/2 steel spindle with 3/8 - 20 threads. This classic-style knob set fits square drive spindle systems commonly found in antique and vintage door hardware sets, and it can adjust to accommodate different door thicknesses. Top reviews from the United States. Great R. Hayes. My house is 132 years old, so it's be hard trying to find things that need replacing. This doorknob was a great find and exactly what I have been looking for.